Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So now we're gonna see the what we have discussed in previous week and how it behaves, and also we see how we can trading these all major pairs in forex pair. Okay guys, what I have told you here in somewhere, I have told you if it will take support. Okay guys, it doesn't take support and taken a resistance also. I have told you here only to buy this, but my sell will be somewhere here only. I am also taken a short position because I know that if it is continuously taking resistance, so it moves downside, so it gives us very nice target. So I have my somewhere here only this red candle has closed, so somewhere here only I have put my SL and taken my trade, and somewhere here only I have exited and I have got very nice target also guys. Okay guys, we can see next GBP British pound versus US dollar guys. You can see here continuously consolidating. After I am seeing that this is the trend line, after this will break I will take position, but I am not able to that position that I have not seen, so I have not taken here position. But after that here you can see that double top has been made in, so somewhere here only it's going. I have here only I have buy the short position and my SL will be somewhere here guys. I have got very nice target somewhere here only guys, because I want to achieve up till here also, because this also very nice, so I am taken somewhere here only and exited from this. Okay guys, you can see that how accurate is our target guys. You can see here too guys, it is continuously consolidating, and this is the small trend line. After this broken, I have not taken any trade, but this is the what I have seen. After this is broken, you can see here my risk to reward, you can see that 1:7 my risk to reward is there, so I will just remove it. You can see here after taking resistance somewhere here only I have taken resistance, and my SL will be this red candle. You can see that how nicely I have got my target guys. Okay guys, after that it become a volatile and become a sideways market guys. Now we can see US dollar versus Canadian dollar. You can see that I have told you this is the trend line. If it will break, then you can go out very nice trade. After here only I have trade my SL. Okay guys, somewhere here only I have kept my trailed SL, so that SL will be hitted. After that this is continuously making a higher high. After somewhere here only I am seeing, but I am not entered here because I wanted to take here somewhere support and goes upside, then I will take, but it given us very nice target up till here guys. Okay guys, we can see next US dollar versus Swiss francs guys. You can see here guys continuously consolidate. After that this is making, this is the pole and flag pattern guys. This is the breakout happened. I have taken somewhere here only position guys. My SL will be this green candle guys, because I know that if buyer want to defend, then it will be defend this green candle only, not came downside. So I am here only taken somewhere position. You can see that how nicely it reaches up till here. My target is reached, so I am exited somewhere here only guys. Okay guys, we can see next AUD versus US dollar guys. Okay guys, I will just remove this, so you can see that it exactly taking a support. You can see that this is the pole and flag type pattern is making. So somewhere here only I have kept my taken my position, and my SL somewhere here only I have kept, because I know that if buyer want to defend, it will defend it somewhere here only. After it will break, then I go for short something here up till here. So that's why I am taken. You can see that within 5 minutes candle only you can go and check out. You can see that within 4 to 6 hours you can see that first target also reached, second target also reached. I will in second target only I have booked my 70%, because I know that it is a new stock, that's why it's going upside. After that so many players are here because this bullish candle, so they will exit. After that this red candle I have seen, I am taken at here somewhere only position, and my SL will be this swing, and I have kept my SL. You can see that how nicely it came downside, so I have kept trailing my SL somewhere here only it came, so I have kept my trailing SL somewhere here only guys. At this point it green candle has been made, so I have shifted my up till somewhere here only my SL. After that you can see that how nicely we have reached up till here. I have got so much nice 1:11 or 1:10 target I have reached here somewhere guys. Okay guys, we can see New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. Also you can see that exactly, you can see that taken a support, first target also reached, second target also reached, third target guys. Okay, this is expected because first target reached. After that, this is the bullish candle I have seen. At second target only I have booked 70%, but I am waited because I know that this is the bullish candle, so 70% up till here it will be maybe gone. So that's why I have trailed my SL somewhere here only, here. Okay guys, I have not booked my 70% at second. I have somewhere trailed my SLS somewhere here. So after that you can see that how nicely it has reached. After third only I have booked somewhere here only. I have booked full. After that this red candle has been made. So I have not entered somewhere here only because this is the red candle and I have not sufficient funding there. So after that you can see here this volatility, this candle. You can see that how long big in upside also, downside also. After that this is going upside and coming downside. So somewhere here only I have entered and my SL I am kept my SL on this red candle. This is green candle, my entry is red candle because seller are so much dominated, not taking upside. So I have taken a chance and my kept SL somewhere here. You can see that continuously came downside. Somewhere here only I have booked my whole quantity because I know that I have not enough time because market weekend is there, so it will be closed and I don't take any position for long weekend guys. So I have exited somewhere here only. Okay guys, after that this is the one of the area I have told you, euro versus GBPY, but you can see that nothing happened, only consolidation happened. After this will break, it will be gives us very nice target in next. Okay guys, AUD versus CHF, you can see that here also exactly taken support. You have entered somewhere here only, or this green candle entered, your SL will be this green candle. You can see that first target, second target, third target, fourth target almost reached, but came downside. Okay guys, here somewhere here only I have taken one position. I will not lie you, here somewhere I have taken because double top in seeing. So somewhere here only I have taken position. My SL will be somewhere here guys. So my SL also reached. After that I have seen that it reaches my SL. Why it is that? After I am seeing that this is the long wick is making. After that 2 hours later this red candle has been shown. After that only this red candle, small red candle only I have taken my short position and my SL will be this red candle. You can see that how nicely I have got downside momentum too guys. Up till here I have somewhere here only guys, here only I have booked my full. You can see that in upside also got, downside also, both the side we have got very nice target. Here in GBP versus Japanese yen, here it breaks right now consolidating, but it is consolidating. After this will break, it will boom. Okay guys, you got very nice target because right now it became a sideways. When it crosses this line, it will gives us very nice target. Okay guys, this is the analysis of what we have taken the trades also, and we have got jackpot only guys. You can see my analysis is 90 to 95% accurate. Okay guys, hope you like this video. Please if you like this video, go and subscribe my channel guys. Thank you guys.